Watch Trixie Mattel become a Glam Dolly Parton before your eyes. Trixie Mattel blessed the Cosmopolitan.com offices recently with the most fun and glam makeup tutorial. So glam, in fact, that Dolly Parton herself would be jealous. From the intense contour to the subtle sparkle Trixie uses to become a southern darling and real-life doll, you're going to be envious. Also, it's funny AF. Watch the hilarious routine above featuring a MetroCard. And make sure to catch new episodes of RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars on Vh1 Thursdays at 8 p.m. MetroCard. Senior video producer, Jason Ikeler, shot and edited by Rashawn, Colton.